AG Labs, my name is Ben. Hello, good morning, welcome to the Micro Soldering Show. Today, on this beautiful Tuesday, we just start by an iPhone 8 Plus, which was mailed in for daily rescue. I don't know what's the problem with the phone. I haven't opened it. Nobody opened it until now. Data are really important, so perhaps we got a difficult problem, or perhaps we have to swap, or perhaps we have just a basic problem. I just don't know what the problem is in this case, but we will see and try to solve together. So I want to give you right to the on-hands camera. Okay, so here we are. This is the iPhone 8, and at first we always take our ICC Pro, and this is a version which has activated the additional test, the additional feature, so I have to cover it up. So let's see what about that device. Dark flags test, okay. IC test, yeah, will be okay. Now the additional test, and now we got a result. TriStar Hydra is okay. So let's check what's the problem with that device is. Okay, just plug it in, and we see that we have no current flow. Okay, we just open the device. Yeah, yesterday we had a video for an iPhone 7 SIM reader. Today in the morning I have to finish an iPhone 6 board swap. I already prepared the CPU and the RAM. I just have to prepare a swap board now, and after that I want to swap the board for daily rescue. So get out the screen completely. Somebody already worked on that phone, so it isn't glued originally, and you see here somebody was already working on that. It's another shop who mailed in this phone. Okay, we check on power supply for the value to see what's going up here. Oh yeah, we got a short. VCC main probably, or VDD main. So we get out the board and let's check where the short is. Just a basic repair today in the morning. I hope you will like that anyway. So sometimes we have special repairs, sometimes we have basic repairs, sometimes we have repairs which we do every day, like these shorts. I can't count the shorts I solved within the last years, but it's a problem which really often appears on these iPhones. Shorts on capacitors, and because we have really nice documentation on all these iDevices, it's really easy to solve them problems in a fast way. On other models often we don't have a good documentation, so it's much more time needed for searching problems and solving them. Checking out all these screws. Oh, what was that? I don't know. Taking out the SIM tray. Getting off all these cables hooked up on the FPCs, and then just getting out the board. Okay, that's nice. Now we just take our thermal imager, plug it into the iPhone, and then just having a look where the problem could be. So okay, on the bottom we got the Q heating up. That's just normal. Yeah, here's only the Q, no capacitor next beside to the Q. And you see it here, it was really fast, so it's really just a fast basic repair. You see that one cap on the top of the board is sliding up, so we got it here. Okay, let's solve that problem. Oh, and you see the cap looks really bad, so you see directly that there is shorted cap, broken cap like ever. So I just want to take the right cap out of hundreds of caps I have here. I just have to search again, because everybody takes caps and takes boxes and places them on their tables, and after that they get it back and they don't put it into the right place. So I always have to search, but I got them here. Okay. I just want to take that cap out. I have to hear a message. Ja, ich habe die Sicherung im Flur jetzt rausgemacht, weil das Ding schlägt Funke. Quasi das Teil, wo ich umschalten kann, der Automat zwischen Zeit und zwischen Dauerlicht, der schlägt Funke die ganze Zeit und macht krrrr. Okay. Just want to clean the pads, that's okay. After that, just using a little bit of contact cleaner and a brush. Ja, das habe ich mir schon gedacht, das passt. Ja, muss halt gucken, wo ich kurzfristig einer herkriege. Ich gucke mal, was drauf steht und dann bestelle ich einer. Das geht immer. Okay, looks good, I think. And now we just need some flux and a capacitor. And we are done. Looks like never a short has happened. That's okay, I think. It's really only a small basic thing to replace capacitors, but I think that even basic things are interesting to watch on YouTube. Okay, we just connect the screen, and I want to connect the ambient light sensor so we can boot the device without the screen is getting dark. And let's go. Short is gone. Boom! Back to life again. iPhone 8 Plus after just a little short on VDD main. Fixed in a fast way. Just one cap was shorted. Removed the cap, replaced, and the phone is working fine again. I want to do a complete functionality test now. And after that I will reassemble the phone, renew all the clue stickers and get it back to the customer. Okay? If you want to learn things like that easily, because that's really basic stuff, you can do that at the Bottle Repair School Germany. And if you are working at the repair industry for smartphones and tablets, you can join our Facebook group Smartphone Repair Group Germany, but please answer the questions, otherwise we won't be accepted. Like always, take your ICC Pro everywhere you go. Get it on iccpro.de. You see, it's just an amazing device. You can do so many things with that, and it makes repairs much faster, much easier. Yeah, it's just a nice tool. Get it. I'm out. We see us with the next video. Boom! Back to life again. Here's Ben.